Hello friends. Welcome to our learning video. Today we will learn opposite words.
Open, close, open, close. High, low, high, low. Fat, thin, fat, thin. Sweet, sour, sweet, sour. Strong, weak, strong, weak. Hard, soft, hard, soft. Easy, hard, easy, hard. Thick, thin, thick, thin. Easy, difficult, easy, difficult. Up, down, up, down.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.